Hi and welcome to session 3 of the Brain Bodies Parent and Carer Bite-Sized Information Series. So what did your child learn today? Today we started off with a body scan which gave your child the opportunity to focus on what they could notice happening in their bodies. We then introduced your child to the 4 zones of emotional regulation and we learnt 2 new Brain Bodies backpack skills. The blue zone of emotional regulation is used to describe low states of alertness, like when we feel sad, sick, tired, or bored. This is when our bodies and our brains are moving slowly or sluggishly. The green zone is used to describe when we are in control and in a state of alertness. A person might be described as calm, happy, focused, or content when they're in this zone. This is the zone that your child usually needs to be in to do schoolwork and for being social. The yellow zone is also used to describe when your child is in a heightened state of alertness and still has some control over their brains and their bodies. So your child might be experiencing stress, frustration, anxiety, excitement, maybe some silliness, nervousness, or even confusion, and other more slightly elevated emotions and states. So the yellow zone is when your child is starting to lose some of that control. So the red zone is used to describe extremely heightened states of alertness or very intense feelings. So your child might be experiencing anger, rage, explosive behavior, panic, terror, or even elation when they're in the red zone. Being in the red zone can be best explained by not being in control of one's body. So the first skill your child learnt this week was how to use body clues to spot emotions before they get too big. This is really important because it enables your child to think about which brain body strategies they can use to keep their thinking brain on and spend more time in the green zone. The second skill your child learnt was how to implement self-care in order to look after their brain and their body. So in order to look after our brains, we also need to look after our bodies. And your child took some time to think about all the fantastic things that they're already doing to help their brain and their body feel happy, calm, and in control. Remember to ask your child which skills they enjoyed learning about today and which they'll add to their Brain Buddies backpack. You can even ask them to teach you. Thank you so much for joining us today and join us next week for the Parent Care of Bite-Sized Info for Session 4 of Brain Buddies. Thank you.